oil. Beard oil. Oh my God. Oh. Who's at the door? What the heck? Oh, Jesus. Hey, that's how you're gonna do? Are you just gonna walk away? The heck is this? Oh yeah! The Jester train just keeps rolling in, brother! What's going on, my bearded brothers, my brothers of the beard? It is I, the Bearded Jester, coming at you live with the unboxing! Have you ever came home after a long day at work, and when you're slowly walking towards your doorstep, you see this beautiful package, and it brings a smile to your face? It almost reminds me of the smile I had when I first met my wife. Not really. But it's a smile that you'll never forget. Really, babe? Another Tupperware assault? First the package, now Tupperware? Give me a break, honey. I'm gonna get bruised here. Anyway, where was I? But all joking aside, there's nothing more better than having a beautiful package at your door. This unboxing I'm gonna do is a company I actually always wanted to deal with. But of course, my cheap ass waits till it's on sale. They had an awesome sale, 50% off any item. What I did, I got the balm and the oil. But this sale was killer. I'm not sure if he's still running it or not. It's very, very, very rare that this company actually has sales like this, especially 50% off. That is huge. And this company is BAM! Kingsman Beard Club. Like I said, this is the company I always wanted to buy from and experience with, especially their Oud oil. Guys know out there, a lot of beardsmen brother out there know how precious and valuable Oud is. It's an extremely unique essential oil. This company is actually very, very well known when dealing with Oud oil. Oud oil is very, very unique. It's a somewhat of a rare oil. It's found in some parts of the earth that is like a remote place on earth. And they have to do a whole bunch of things. It's a crazy process to obtain oil. I think it's almost like $500 an ounce. So you basically have to make it rain if you want pure Oud oil. No, this is not $500. This is mixed with different awesome carry oils. As I say to every company out there, presentation is key. It's like when you go to an interview, you don't want to end up looking like this on first impression. You want to look pretty like this. Right off the bat, the presentation is awesome. All black box, custom. Look at that, man. It's beautiful with their beautiful logo. Now let's do the unboxing. Oh, I should be a singer. But beautiful presentation at first. Bam, we got a letter from the man himself. Awesome. We have stickers. Bam. And we have more stickers. Bam. Oh, beautiful art, man. I love stickers. Companies, if you guys ever gonna send me something, send stickers. I'm gonna make a collage, gonna post it on my wall. It's gonna look cool. Oh, more stickers. Look at that. Beautiful. Awesome business card. Bam, more cards. Look at this, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I have a beard club, and this is like, you earn points every time you buy, blah, blah, blah. And a thank you card. You're welcome, brother. This is what you are seeing right before you when you open the box. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. I love the black and gold that's presented here. You could tell on the logo, like the theme is mainly black and gold, which is awesome. And they have that little confetti going on here. Black and gold. You can almost smell the Oud oil. Bam! Here we go. The oil, the beautiful, holy grail. It's an awesome, awesome, awesome bottle. Let me just zoom in on that. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. Great graphics. Looks like an oil-resistant label. The bottle is like a hazy bottle. It's not clear, see-through. Has that like that white hazy look. That's great, probably good to preserve the oil that's in here. Regular dropper top. This is a 1 ounce, right? It's grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, clear jojoba seed oil, and authentic essential oil. That being the Oud oil. Bam! Now we have their balm, the Holy Grail balm. You guys know that I can't have the balm without their oil. I can't have the oil without the balm. Their balms come in a 2 ounce tin. As you can see, all black, black and gold. Great labeling, great presentation. Presentation is key. So now that I did an unboxing, I showed you guys the oil and the stickers and the balm and everything like that. My overall impressions of this company so far, just the unboxing, is an A+ in my opinion. From the box to the stickers to the thank you card to the great labeling on the bottle. I cannot wait to test this product out. I'm not sure if anybody out there actually makes an Oud Oil Beard Butter, but that would be awesome. And if you know anybody that does have an Oud Oil scented beard butter, let me know in the comments below because I'll buy that right now. Well, I hope you like that unboxing, my bearded brethrens, my brethrens of the beard. It is I, the Bearded Jester. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. And don't forget to hit this thumbs up. I'm out of here, bearded brethrens.